Good afternoon to everyone. Today we will learn chapter number 1 of class 9th, matter in our surrounding, and in our today video we will learn topic number 2, states of matter. We know that there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. But nowadays some two states of matters, one is plasma and second is Bose-Einstein condensate. Research work is going on about more detail of these states like plasma or BIC. We will learn the information of these states after the discussing of basic states which are solid, liquid and gas. And in this video we will compare these three states of matter in a tabular form, which will very helpful to us to understand or to explain the properties as well as to compare the properties of solid, liquid and gas. So, first of all we will draw a table, and in first column we will write the property, and then second we will write solid, liquid and last is the gaseous. First property is shape. Shape means they have definite boundary. So, solids have fixed shape and distinct boundary. Liquids do not fixed shape, do not have fixed shape, and gases also do not have fixed shape. Second is volume. Volume means how much content or constituent matter is present in the given by mass, that is the volume. Solid have fixed volume. Liquid also have fixed volume, but gases they do not have fixed volume. In other words, we can say that solid have both fixed shape and fixed volume, but gases neither have fixed shape nor fixed volume. Third is intermolecular space. It is maximum intermolecular space in solid it is more than solid it is minimum intermolecular space, and it is maximum intermolecular space. In solids, the intermolecular space is minimum. In liquids, the intermolecular space is more than the solid, and gaseous it is maximum. The particles have more space. You can see, if you see the composition of the air. The fourth is intermolecular force. Intermolecular force. Intermolecular force of the attraction, maximum, it is maximum in solid, less than solid, and it is minimum in gases. Gases has minimum intermolecular force of attraction. They have more kinetic energy. Minimum intermolecular force of attraction. Now we will see rigidity. They are rigid, or maybe highly rigid, you can say, like highly rigid. They are less rigid than the solid, and gases are not rigid. Rigidity is the tendency or property of a matter which have reduced the volume, or to reduce the volume by applying the force. That is rigidity, to maintain it safe. Number 6 is fluidity. Fluidity is the tendency of a substance or a matter which can flow. So the tendency of flowing is known as fluidity. Fluidity, no, not fluid, or do not show the property of fluidity. They are fluid, and they are highly fluid. Number 7 is compressibility. Solids are not compressible. Liquids are compressible. And gases are highly compressible. That's why we know that CNG and LPG. CNG is used as a fuel in the vehicles, and LPG is used as a domestic fuel. Number 8 is density. Solid has maximum density, or they have more density or highest density. Less than, they have less than, or they are less denser than solid, and they have very less density. So this is the comparison between the three states of matter in terms of shape, volume, intermolecular space, intermolecular force, rigidity, fluidity, compressibility, and density. We can take one more point, that is kinetic energy. Solids has very less kinetic energy, it is more in the liquid, and it is highest in the gases. So this is the comparison of states of solid, liquid, and gas in the tabular form. We can also explain with the help of the diagram. We can draw the diagram here. In case of the solids, the particles are very close like this. It is also given in our book. The particles are closely packed. In case of the liquids, they have some more intermolecular space. But in gases, it is the maximum like this. So, with the help of diagram, we also explain it. So, I hope you have understood this video, and this video is very helpful to you to explain the states of matter in terms of these properties. Thank you very much for watching this video.